Today I will discuss about super automatic espresso machines. Product link in the description below. Best super automatic espresso machines. 1. Breville Bess 990 BSS Oracle, touch fully automatic espresso machine, brushed stainless steel. 2. DeLonghi Ecam 22110 SB espresso machine, 13.8 inches, silver. 3. Jura E8 Piano Black Automatic Coffee Machine. 4. Seiko Encanto Classic Milk Frother, Super Automatic Espresso Machine with Aqua Clean Filter, 1.8 liters, black. 5. DeLonghi ESAM 3300 Magnifica, Super Automatic Espresso and Coffee Machine, silver. 6. Philips 3200 Series Fully Automatic Espresso Machine with Latte Go, black, EP 3241/54. 7. Gajabrera Super Automatic Espresso Machine in silver. Panarello Wand Frothing for latte and cappuccino drinks. Espresso from pre-ground or whole bean coffee. 8. Krups EA 8298 Cappuccino Bar, fully automatic 57-ounce, preset drinks, LCD display, integrated milk froth system, black, 8,035,801. Product link in the description below. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.